This is the first multifunctional Mac box from SMALLRIG, and yes, the first one with the modular design. I have also got the variable ND filter that attaches to the frame, covering actually the complete range of your light scene. With the M0.8 gear module, you are able to actually connect it to your follow focus motor and achieve that smooth cinematic light control when changing lighting scenarios and keeping the aperture and most importantly the shutter speed constant. I'm your host Mauro, and let's get straight into this system. Okay, so you will be getting all the accessories to start shooting your next feature film. Big social carrying bag with included 4.56 frame, ring adapters for lenses, 50mm rod support, the base matte box, and the VND filter kit that slots in the back box. Okay, so let's have a look around my rig build and how I build it. The quick release system will allow you to slot in variable ND filters with ease and be ready in seconds. The serial anamorphic lens that I'm using right now is 82mm in diameter, so I will use the 82 to 95mm adapter. Slot in on the back part and tight it with a knob. That's it, you have the variable ND filter installed. If you want to get more creative, yes, you can mount a motorized system just like the SMALLRIG Magic Fizz on top and get that smooth cinematic aperture ride without changing actually your aperture, but controlling your light in front of your lens. Let's get straight into that. The Magic Fizz wireless follow focus motor can also act as your wireless VND controller when switching lighting scenarios and have outstanding remote possibility. I have used mostly small rig parts for this rig build, and all the links will be in the description so you can get this exact same setup just following the links and order the items. Small rig handle holding one part of the rod for the Magic Fizz motor. Not a rail mount holding the other point of connection for the Magic Fizz motor. Two 50mm rods, one longer and one shorter, to have a secure, firm 2-point attachment. Wireless handwheel controller for the variable ND filter control. SMALLRIG Magic Fizz motor. Not a rail handle mounted on the side, actually a top handle, but I'm using it like that, it's really useful. Manual SMALLRIG focus control for the lens control and SMALLRIG rod base with V-mount rod kit. OC G7 screen mounted on top. SMALLRIG cage for the A7S III. Not a lightweight system by any means, but a reasonably compact build around my Sony A7S III camera. The motor, camera and the screen is powered by the Inchman battery, so you have a pretty good amount of filming time. Approximately about 5 to 6 hours without the need to change the battery when powering a system like that. Now you are ready to achieve smooth cinematic light transitions from bright outside shoot to interior shooting, without the need to change your aperture or shutter speed of the lens, using the variable motorized ND filter compensating for light change. I can assure you that this is really high-level cinematography, and something that is really well thought of this industry for a long time. Now we have a really budget option to actually replicate any blockbuster big bar scene. I can fully recommend this system, and it will be here for stay for my other ongoing productions. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below, I will be happy to answer to all of them. Until my next one, thumbs up if you like it, subscribe with the bell icon to get notified every time I make a new video, and see you on my next one.